Something work.
Ariana, how about you? Top three, top three content creators you'd wanna, or anybody you'd wanna collab with in Uganda. Ah, who do you want to work with in Uganda? Who do you want to work with? Content, anything.
Yo, this isn't even. This is so. She's gonna get clipped. She's gonna get. She's gonna get clipped. She's gonna get clipped.
It's done for her, bro.
I went there, mama. Oh, you can't get that boy.
Omwana Abba Makas agenda kulwanya abawala waneno ku social media. Abba Makas mutabani wa Chameleon. Kubanga kati twasutandikidde wa Winnie wa mami. Winnie wa mami kwegaseeko Patricia wa Ghetto Kids. Ku Patricia kwegaseeko Ariana Sebunya. Kati abakyala bali bameka, abakyala bali basatu. Ate nga n'abalala bakyajja actually n'owookuna muwala wa Desire Luzinda. Kati abakyala bali bana. Abba buli wajja ku live munnange omukyala abeerako ne kyagamba. Abba buli wajja ku live mwana abawala nga bavaayo nga babaako ne kye bagamba. Mwana wattu abeerako n'ensonga ze baagala okuyisaawo. Mwana wattu ensonga nga baguyogerayo akagambo kamu obubiri. Babeera ku topic ndala ogenda owulira mwana muwala ayisizzaawo kyayisizzaawo. Eggulo nakuzannyidde nga omukyala Winnie wa mami agezaako okubuuza Abba Makas oba ali singo n'ebisigadde ng'ebyo. Ku guno omulundi Patricia yabaddeko Ariana Sebunya kwali kyokka ne muwala wa Desire Luzinda akyaliwo kati ate ne Winnie wa mami abakyala bana. Kyokka SMX ndi wano eno sirabayo wadde waddomu bannange nze mubye nnyo. Mbuuza nze mubye nnyo. Tuli mu 2025 bannange. Muve ku Abba Makas omusajja we ndi wano. Sinze mubye nnyo. Sinze mubye nnyo bannange. Abba Makas wabeera ajjuzza abantu abasigadde mu Patricia jangu eno ewange. Ariana Sebunya jangu eno. Ate siye tumulekere mu muwala wa Desire Luzinda ne Winnie wa mami. Abeereko na babiri nange mbeereko. So Patricia Ghetto Kid jangu eno ne Ariana Sebunya nawe jangu eno. Tulabe engeri ensonga gye tuzikwasaganya. Naye obutambi bwe buno naye nga sinabeeranga mbukutayako kamusabo subscribe ngano ku SMX Media tujja kubeera nga missing updates naddala nga zino. Still wano ku SMX Media tuba bulungi nnyo okulangira business yo tukubirako obukubizi ku enamba y'essimu ebisigadde n'obitulekera.
I don't know. I don't know because I'm not accusing, but I'm just saying like
both parties
context
are
clues and previous statistics.
It's not is.
But both parties are okay.
You said what?
Yes, both parties are okay. The girl and the
Yeah.
Hard. So I swear to God, I promise to God. Okay, anyways, if you think so, I'm not violating nobody. I respect you, though. I swear.
So you could have said all my second knowledge.
Bro.
Yeah, bro, you're low-key throwing shade game. We're gonna have to do
That's what I'm saying, bro. If he's throwing,
we're gonna have to do it the worst way.
My bad. I'll say it all in my saka. It's easier.
type shit.
No,
Right.
I feel like you're not being fair here. I feel like you're very short-tempered and.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna be nice. Okay, let's start again. My name.
Yeah, like.
Funny. Oi, what's her name again? What's the girl's name again?
I think it's funny as hell.
What's her name? Gloria or something.
Who?
Let me get me in contact. Someone get me in contact. Someone get me in contact with Gloria, bro. Trust me.
Wait, the one that
Yo.
Look at his latest video. Yeah. Oh my days.
Who? Gloria? Gloria Buggy?
Yeah, Gloria Boogie.
Oh, no. You don't want that.
Oh, sorry. Why?
That's what I said, isn't it?
You don't want that.
You see what I'm saying in the group chat?
No. Hey, Abba was talking reckless in that GC.
Yes, bro. I got too carried away, bro. I'm not going.
Your sound became one of the most trending sounds closing the year 2020.
Yeah.
How did you feel and what was your reaction? Because guess what? After that one video, you became a blogger, bro.
Yeah, true.
It's true, you know. It's true.
Can't lie, you picked up.
They brought up a talent that was hidden inside you.
Honestly, bro.
So, how did you feel about it? Because it was fake.
Guys, Zyra said that she wait. Hold on, before I answer that. Zyra said that she has a business to be on. That she has some live or whatever. Hey, but look, how was it? I don't know, bro. Like for me personally, like I've been like somewhat in the spotlight since I was a kid, like since before I could even talk, you know. Like growing up in that shit, like it's normal. Like so when I woke up the next day, I was like, damn, like that's crazy. It'd be surprising me, bro, honestly. So when I saw it, I was like, damn, what the fuck? Like that's crazy to me. Because to me, I see myself as like a normal person, just like everybody else.
And it's even the fact that they tried to take it out of proportion.
Exactly.
They were too quick with it.
I just wonder.
Everyone was talking about it, and
I just wonder how it is. Obviously, like you're growing up and you're always in that spotlight. Because obviously, us, you know, me and DK guys are like any sort of like knowing.
okay. I think Abba addressed you about.
It's
did I
horrible.
talk about our first award that you
know what?
took?
Huh?
Our first award. I told you about that story, right?
Who's the word?
The war.
Award, the idea over high people.
The award.
Good man. Chase the war.
Yeah, man, I see you vibing this guy. Oh, Patricia.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to beat Patricia last?
What a great Patricia. Pasty. You're good at that guy.
You don't have
Hey,
respect.
Patricia, I'm your number one fan, by the way.
Quata, oh.
For real. Nah, I gotta go, bro. Still. Anyway, Abba Marcus. Yo, what's up, what? DK6. I see your content, bro. You be vibing with the moms in Africa. Your guys are 6. What's up?
Hey, his
Yo, walk on.
Abba Marcus.
What's up, bro?
Did you write the song?
I did.
Really?
All my mom's life, okay. Listen to my dad's music, listen to my music, and listen to mine. And
Yeah, I feel like those are your daddy's words. I can't lie.
bro, kill my mom right now, I swear to God.
Damn, bro, wait.
That should be getting me mad, bro. Like every time
Nah, but I hear it. I feel that it's kind of disrespectful. Though.
every time I do some fire shit, bro, niggas wanna like, bro, it's
Okay,
me.
I fuck with it. I like it. I like your song actually. I like
Appreciate
it.
you.
It's just,
Hey, but chill, God forgive me, don't kill my mom.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say, bro. That's some Kevin Gates.
God forbid, still. God forbid. God forbid. Still.
That was very Kevin Gates of you, bro. Man said, oh, my kid's life.
what? Yo, relax.
But nah, I wrote it for sure.
It's not that deep, anyways. Yo, bro. So Patricia, I just wanna talk to Patricia. Hey, Patricia.
Hi.
So,
How are you?
so you went to the same school with this guy, Abba Marcus? So how come I had
Auntie Sheila is here. Should we get Auntie Sheila up?
How comes what?
you had a conversation like you're saying like you lost with Abba Marcus or there was something like that?
I've known Abba for some
Okay, cool. So, you got a guy. Is he serious or you ready?
Oh, wow.
Time is coming.
Oh, wow. He really did that.
What he did?
Yo, bro, yo, relax, yo. I'm talking to a lady.
Loyal. You're going to Uganda, man. You're shaking.
Nah, man.
Bera ngo bikunga mu luzungu n'Oluganda singa basobola okutegeera Luganda.
Banange. Oluganda nze luti. Banange. Lwaki abantu batandise okuyomba bino byesaagala amaanyi bangenda genda.
Yo, Loyal, where you from, bro?
Nze ndi muna Kampala.
Okay, first it says, how long have you been in London?
Bro, that's still. I can't say that.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Why are you asking so many questions, bro?
What the fuck?
Just being nice. He's not asking.
No, we're getting to know you because talking about now.
That's not even a federal question, bro.
Bro, you ask me something else, bro. You gonna ask me where you have money or something like that? You gotta go. Ask real stuff, people. But don't ask me stuff like that.
This nigga is funny.
But don't ask me stuff like, where, how is your mom?
Wait, but Loyal, you're asking about
Patricia. Yeah, she can ask me if I got a girlfriend. Yeah, I'll tell her yes.
Aliku tactics. Jose Mourinho.
And then Abba Marcus, they care. Don't push it. Don't push it, bro.
Yo, that's interesting.
Now here.
Naye abantu bamanyi nti Oluganda ndumanyi akakomando abasala gonde biri